Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to Foxtecc, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up Notion in kind of aesthetic way on the iPad. As you know, Notion is incredibly useful, and with some customization tips you can create a beautiful and functional setup. So let's get started. At first, let's focus on customization tips for creating aesthetic Notion pages. Begin by adjusting the page styles. You can change the page width, text size, and font to suit your preferences. Now, Notion offers three typography styles, which is default, serif, and mono. Choose the one that best fits your aesthetic vision or whatever you want to like it. But then you need to do, or you could do some other things. For example, personalize your pages with custom icons and backgrounds. So for example, if you go to a website like flaticon.com, or you just found them somewhere on the internet, make sure you have the rights to use the icons. But if you find them, make sure you can just download them and add them to your Notion pages. So you can literally just upload your own images or choose from Notion selection to choose the background. As you know, you can choose all of the emojis and icons, but you can also upload your own one. So make sure to have some aesthetic icons which you can use for that purpose. And of course, you can also embed various different types of content such as tweets, maps, Dropbox files, and this is going to enrich your pages but also keeps your essential information in one place, which is of course good. Now you can also organize your content visually, so by creating multiple block stacks you can manage the layout effectively. And yeah, just the whole point is to utilize all of the Notion features to the most. Essentially, you can also develop a color theme with each page and give it a unique personality. It's up to you, but this is how you can do this kind of stuff, right? I personally find that the callouts feature, or like the type of modification of the text, with the light bulb, this is kind of like making the pages look a lot more aesthetic. So I think you should definitely utilize this. But for more advanced enhancements, consider using GIFs as icons or page elements. They can bring in dynamic elements to your workspace. You can create buttons and other stuff. So it's really useful if you know all of the tools, and then you can also use the custom way to like embed the photos as icons or as backgrounds. And these things have to be aesthetic to like make sure that the whole thing looks the way that it should, right? Now, if you want to embed external media like Spotify playlists directly into your pages, these can integrate music playback into your workflow. So you can also use chart widgets, whatever it is. You can customize these by embedding them directly into the page. But yeah, it is up to you to decide, but I just want to say that you need to come in and with your personalized icons and backgrounds and images and GIFs to make the page look more aesthetic. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the next one.